Hey, what's going on YouTube? So for this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the Arb Differential Breather Kit. Just kidding. This is a knockoff Arb Differential Breather Kit. The brand IFJF. I have no idea what that stands for. As you can see, the build, just the way it looks, it's exactly like the Arb one. It's anodized aluminum as well. Comes with all the fittings that you need, I guess, for your... This is a universal kit, so it's not specific to any vehicle. But the reviews I'm reading, it does fit Toyota, so... Apparently it'll fit any Toyota, any Dana axle. Comes with zip ties, and then the tubing required. But here, this is the thing I'm wondering. If on the Arb site it says it comes with polyethylene, whatever kind of tubing. I think it's the same kind, but it doesn't. I was expecting rubber lines or like some silicone lines. These are like, it's like a hard plastic. And yeah, I'm not too confident in them. But apparently the Arb provides the same kind, so we'll see. I'm not even too sure if they're long enough, but we'll give it a try. I mean, I haven't seen the kit in person, but I mean, just the pictures on Amazon that they use, they're the exact same thing. And then seeing it in person, I mean, come on, dude. Like, if I'm gonna spend $80 on the Arb one versus this $30 Amazon Prime kit, why not? So I guess it goes like that. You screw the fittings in, just attach the tubing, and then it has plugs in here. And you plug the other end that you're not going to use, and then this filter adjusts. I don't know why you would adjust it, but apparently you can adjust the filter. You can completely remove the filter, and then it's just open to air, open atmosphere, and then you can tighten it down all the way where it locks, and then I guess you pretty much closed off your differentials pretty much. But apparently this filter is washable too. Yeah, if you actually look inside, you're probably not going to see it, but it's washable. But that's pretty much it. It's the IFJF filter. IFJF differential breather. So I'm going to be doing another video pretty soon, actually installing this thing. We'll see if this tubing is gonna cut it. I'm not too sure if I want to use this or if I'm just gonna go and get some actual silicone hoses or maybe some rubber lines to run, because apparently once you insert the tubing into the fitting, it's locked in. So I'm not too sure. Maybe I'll just run the kit like this and I'll give you guys a real review of it. So anyways, stay tuned for that video. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for that video, like I said. Appreciate it.